You bet I don't have 60 ocean fidgets? I can almost guarantee you I do. Let's go check it out. This drawer has a lot of ocean fidgets. Let's see. Let's start off with a bang. It's my axolotl stress ball that's in my store. You can shop these right now. They have a slime filling on the inside. This is the perfect first fidget for this challenge. It's linked in my store in my bio. Okay, 1, I have my shopping cart from Target. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is my 16. It's a broken stress ball, but it has mermaids in it. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, Mr. Shark, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, definitely, 46, 47, 48, 49, okay, 50, so we have 10 more. Let's do it. If you're watching, so comment down below, OMG! 51, 52, sushi, 53, more sushi, 54, another one, 55, okay, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. Challenge done! Comment down below some more fidget challenges in the comments, and my store is shopnicolejacqueline.com. That was crazy.